That's okay. Same here. We'll just help each other out. So, you guys want to just kind of take a turn, each read a question, and we'll help answer it?
Sure.
All right, I'll start off with question 3. So I'll go first. Amy, you want to be second, and Rebecca third, and then we'll just keep rotating.
Okay.
Oh, awesome. Thanks, guys. The mean IQ test score in the United States is 120 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their scores is 112. Which of the following statements is true? And I chose 100 is a parameter, and 112 is a statistic.
Whoa. I'm losing you.
So I got basically picked the first one and the last one. That's what I got. How about you guys?
Okay, so categorical, yeah.
Oh wait, whoops.
Categorical. I thought that was the toothpaste.
I was reading question 3. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for categorical, I chose the second one, a randomly selected brand of toothpaste.
Okay.
Sorry about that. So yeah, then moving on to question 3.
So you had 100 is a parameter and 112 is a statistic?
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I had as well.
Sorry.
We're very different kinds of sick, but I have a great sympathy for you.
Okay, question 4, Amy, go for it.
Okay, Rotham City. This one hurts my brain. Rotham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods, and the property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from neighborhood to neighborhood. One neighborhood has very low property values. Another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect? I would say this is the stratified sample.
Stratified sample, yeah.
Is that what you think? Okay. I haven't done the test, so I'm just going off of my brain right now. So.
What did you do?
Stratified was the one that it looked like to me.
Okay. All right, Rebecca, question 5.
Okay, when design experiments are conducted in public school systems, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is then conducted using all the students in the selected classes. This type of sampling scheme is implemented, a cluster sample.
That's what I chose too.
That's what it looks like to me.
All right, we're all in agreement. Okay,
Awesome.
so question 6. A school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended is entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? I chose a simple random sample.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. All right, Amy, question 7.
Okay. A special interest group was conducting a survey regarding the wolves in Yellowstone National Park. Ooh, I had to do multiple studies on those in my economic one. The wolves. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides of the political spectrum, the researchers took the list of registered Democrats. Yes, I read that right. And selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Which type of sampling? This is stratified?
Stratified. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
My brain doesn't like all these words.
Okay, so for question 8, that's Rebecca. Were you able to do this one, Rebecca?
Oh, this is the... Blah.
This is where you have to open up SPSS, which I did do that. And I don't know if you guys want to trust the answers I got, but I basically opened it up and did it in Excel the way we did it, Amy.
Whoa.
where
Did
we
it
put
work in
the
Excel?
formulas.
Whoa, something just happened. Go away. Okay, what? Did it work
You
in
know where you
Excel?
put in the formula? Yeah, I think so. I put in the formula average equals.
Crossroads purchases, right?
Yeah. I had to open it up in SPSS.
You had what?
Opened it in SPSS.
Yeah. Did it work to do? Well, okay. I don't know SPSS that well, so
Basically, it opens it up in Excel in SPSS. That makes sense.
right, because it's the two different in the data files. There's two different versions. I don't know. I'm not super confident in.
So what I
SPSS.
got was 4.771.
Okay.
And that's just by putting in the formula,
Okay.
all the
So
numbers
this.
to find the mean.
Gotcha. So
And then for question 9, I got 1.912.
Yeah.
Okay. And then question 10, it's if you do have issues creating histogram, you can go to lesson 3. And the video teaches you how to do it.
It's true.
But obviously we can't help each other do that on this video. All right, so let's, are you guys okay if we go on to the next section of question 11?
Yep.
All right, Amy, take it away.
1 sec. Okay, I was just doing the mean thing. So question
11.
11.
It's Laura. Keep going though. Hi, Laura.
Okay. Jessica Meir and her research team measured the body temperature of a sampling of diving elephant seals. The thermistor was placed at a specific location on each seal to measure its body temperature. Body temperatures of seals tends to increase as they dive. This is blah, blah, blah. Okay. Estimated a typical body temperature of each seal as they at the time they initiated the dive. This is called representative temperature of the seal. Thermistors are placed on the hepatic sinus of 4 seals. The seal's body temperature at the start of the dive was calculated to be. Session follows. Complete the following table. Use your work to answer the next 4 questions. All right, so question 11. Value of the number that goes in position marked A.
So, great, thank you, Amy. I have Laura on the phone, guys. Laura, can you hear us?
I can, thank you.
Okay, we're on question 11, Laura.
Great, no problem.
All right. So, obviously, we first, I'm not sure, Amy, if you're going to do this because I know you didn't feel good. We do the average of the representative temperatures first, which is, here it
The
is.
answer I got was -0.165.
Yeah, that's what I got. So the answer I got was -0.165. Laura agrees. And you do that by getting the mean first and then doing the calculation of the temperature of the individual seal minus the mean for A. Okay? And the mean is 38.075. All right, so question 12, Rebecca, go ahead and read that.
Okay. What is the value of the number that goes in the position marked with B in the table below? Table above, sorry.
I got 0.681.
0.681, yeah.
I got that also.
Okay, great.
0.681.
Laura also got that. All right, I will read question 13. What quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the square deviations column? And I chose the variance.
You know, I chose that too, and I ran my test through last night. Because you can do that. You can run it once with yourself and then run it the next day.
Right.
And I chose variance, and I got it wrong. I just wanted to let you guys know I got it wrong.
Oh, okay. Well, Laura says that that's not right. When she ran her test, it said that's not right. Huh. Okay.
But I thought it was a variance, so I know it's not. I know it's not the standard deviation. So if it's not the variance, I think we should choose none of these.
Okay.
Yes,
Laura,
I choose that. None of this is correct. Yeah, I choose that.
None of these is
Rebecca
correct?
agrees. That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, guys. Good teamwork.
Yeah, I don't know why that one's wrong. It seems like that should be right, but I got that wrong. I
Okay.
got it wrong.
All right. Awesome. Thank you, Laura. So we chose for 13. None of these is correct. Moving on to 14. Amy.
Okay, I haven't had a chance to finish these yet, so I'm just kind of
Cool.
in a back seat for the moment.
Okay.
I'll probably finish it. I can't think with all the talking, so
Yeah,
my brain doesn't do numbers and talking at the same time when I'm well.
You want to read it and then we'll
Yeah.
do our answers.
What is the standard deviation of these temperatures?
All right. I got 1.239.
I got 0.715. But I could be wrong.
Rebecca, what did you get?
I think I also got the same thing. 1 point. Okay. 1 point.
Sounds like you guys are right then.
315. Yeah.
What did you get, Rebecca?
1.315.
Oh, she got 1.215. We all got something different. All right.
I was actually. Yeah.
Rebecca, have you already graded yours?
I was wondering too. I wasn't sure of that.
It's okay. Let's see. So we
Who's
added.
already graded theirs? Just to throw those numbers
Laura,
out there.
did you get it right whenever you entered that?
I actually, I realized that yes, mine was graded, so I did get that right. 0.715.
So Laura's is right at 0.715. I might have just done the
Yes,
math wrong.
0.715.
0.75, she says, and that's for 14, right, Laura?
That's right. What's the standard deviation of these temperatures?
Right. Okay, I'll have to do the math again because basically, you add add up all the square deviations and then do the square root of that number, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's okay, though. Let me see really quick. That I have the printout and I got that one right. So
Okay.
I hope that's okay.
Yeah. Thank you. 0.715. Rebecca, can you go ahead and read 15?
Okay, 15.
Let's check what answer you got, Miriam, so I can go through and look. See what you did. What was your answer?
I got 1.235, I think. But
Okay.
that was obviously wrong. But I thought I was doing it right. That's okay. I know how to do it.
I wish
I must have
Yeah.
just not.
Okay. The way I did it, you guys, is I'm making a lot of math errors. And what I do is I pop it up on SPSS and I just put in the numbers myself. And then I made the program tell me what the standard deviation and the mean and everything was. That's how I found it.
Oh, that's good.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Good way to double check yourself.
Mhm.
All right, question 15. Rebecca, go ahead and read that one.
Okay. Question 15. Under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative. Not true. It's false.
It's false. That's what I got as well.
Yeah, that's right.
All right. Amy, you want to read 16?
Okay. In the same study, the researchers placed
Sorry,
themselves.
The
Oh, we
question.
go to the question? Okay. Which location resulted in the most consistent temperature measurements from one scale to another?
So I chose extradural because the standard deviation is the smallest.
That's right. That's what I
Yeah, that
got.
makes sense.
Okay, Laura says that is right. Rebecca, you got that as well?
I had the same thing.
Great, Rebecca agrees.
Okay, great.
Okay, moving on to 17. Rebecca, you want to go ahead and read the question?
17. Okay. Oh, sorry.
Sorry, guys.
I'm just pressing something here. Okay, sorry. I'm on the right page now. What is the third quartile?
I got 6.
I thought the third quartile was supposed to be the 75th percentile. Is that right?
Yeah.
Seven?
Oh,
That's what
No.
what'd you, oh, you put 8? Oh.
8.
you look at the little top graph. The first one is the minimum.
The third quartile.
I thought the first, isn't it the first line to the very far left is the minimum?
Yeah, that would be right. I think
Okay.
it might be at the end. Yeah, that would be the minimum, and then the third quartile would be 4.
Oh,
Quartile would be 6.
you're
Third
right. You're
quartile
right.
would be 7.
Yeah, so the third quartile will be 8. Yeah.
8. So that's 8.
Okay.
Oh, guys.
Yeah.
That's what I was thinking, but I don't feel very confident with box plots.
For some reason, the minimum is the first quartile. I'm sorry. I don't know why. I'm
No
sick.
problem.
Okay. All right. So the answer is 8. Question 18. What percentage of the data lies between 4 hours and 8 hours? And is that 50%?
That's right.
Okay. Did you put
Yeah.
It's 50%, right?
Oh,
That's
so just put in 50. You don't put the percentage
Right.
sign
Yeah, it's 5-0.
in. Okay. All right, Amy, you want to read question 19?
estimate the mean of the measured nitrate concentration in Rexburg's drinking water.
All right, so yeah, I'm sorry. I mean, an observation from
So this is
What I did is I took the two concentrations, the 1.59 and the 2.52, and I added them up. You got a 4.11, and then I divided it by 2 to get the mean.
Oh, smart. Did you guys see
did that give you the right answer?
That's it.
Okay, because that's what I was thinking we needed to do. But I'm slow. So 8.22.
No, it should come out as 2.055. Divide 4.11 by 2. It's a 1.59 plus 3.52. That makes 4.11, and I divided that by 2. When I divided that by 2,
Oh, I get it. No, it's okay.
Yeah.
So
So did you round it up to 2.056?
it did round, but I
Oh yeah, actually you don't need to
what?
take a
I have to round, right? It's just
Right.
2.055.
No, 2.055.
Okay.
All right, so now it says estimate the standard deviation of the measured nitrate concentration in Rexburg.
I didn't know how to do this, so I hope you guys can help me with this one.
Assuming,
I
Attention,
got the wrong answer.
low battery.
Oh dear. Somebody's got low battery somewhere.
that's me. I gotta charge it. You guys keep going. Let me just grab my charger. One second.
all at once, everything just vanishes like.
No, let me see.
So the standard deviation that I got, what is it? How does it want it rounded? 3 decimal places? So I got 0.6576. So that would be 0.658. Hello? Oh my goodness, we lost everybody. Just you and me, Rebecca. What did you get for that question, Rebecca?
I couldn't figure anything. That's one high.
Oh, okay. I just stuck it into Excel, and that gave me
What did you
0.057609.
get? What did you get?
I just did it in Excel, so it came up as
Or SPSS.
0.6578.
Standard deviation.
7608. Sorry. So it would be.
I just don't know how to do it. I didn't. What I should have thought is that we, minus the, we get, 2.52 and minus the 1.59 off to figure out what the deviation was, but that didn't work. So, I don't know how to do that.
Can't hear you, Miriam. No. Did you have any thoughts on how to do it, Rebecca?
No.
Okay. They showed us how to do that somewhere.
You guys hear me?
I can't
can
really
hear
hear you. Laura's really loud, and I can't hear you at all, so I'm not sure what's going on there. Is Laura on the
Can you
phone
hear
still?
me?
I can. Oh, I heard
Yeah.
you there.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, guys. Computer issues. Okay, question 20. Did you say how you got that, Amy?
I just stuck it into Excel. And
You just put it into Excel, similar to the way you said, Laura, of doing it in SPSS.
All right. And what did you get?
0.657.
I got 0.657609, so it would be 0.658.
Oh, 0.658.
Okay. Should we go with that?
Yep.
Somewhere in the summaries, it shows you how to do that. Like by hand, but I don't remember it right now. My stomach is no longer liking sitting up.
All right, so question 21 then. Between what two measured nitrate concentrations do approximately 68% of the data values lie? And that's going to be 1.59, no.
Because what's the mean?
The mean was 2.055.
Okay.
So it's got to lie within one standard deviation of both those, right?
Yeah, so. That'd be 2.713. That doesn't look good. Something is wrong. I might have done the standard deviation thing wrong. I didn't look up to do it by hand.
That's okay.
Hello, Google friend.
Oh, you know what, you guys? I think we're on the wrong track. I think we got number 20 wrong.
Did you get number 19 right, though?
2.055.
Okay, so we got that right. But number 20, go ahead.
What I'm thinking is, this is just thinking out of the box. You know, for number 20, we know that the deviation is going to be 2.055. So 1.59 is 2 standard deviations below the mean, and then the 2.52 is 2 standard deviations above the mean. So you just go, you know, 2.055 minus 1.59, which would equal, you know, let me write it out really quick. 0.465, and then since that's 2 deviations, we have to cut that in half. So it would be 0.233. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out this other question. What we got with the 0.65761 doesn't work.
No, it doesn't.
So that's not right.
Where did that go?
Okay, well, we can
So if
assume...
the answer is you know, half of the 0.465, which would be 2 deviations, that'd be 0.233. So will 0.233 work with any of these if we add 0.233 to the
The way we can find it, we know the mean, right?
yeah.
Okay, so you see how it says the U, which is the symbol for mean, minus 2 standard deviations equals 1.59. So we just have to do the algebra to find the standard deviation.
Right.
So then we do, how do we do that? We do plus the mean on both sides, and then divided by -2 on both sides.
Which one is the mean? It's the U, right?
symbol, yeah. Actually, it would have to be minus the mean on both sides, and then divided by -2 on both sides. So then we get standard deviation equals 1.59 minus the mean divided by -2. Is that right?
What was the answer?
Yeah, all right, I'm going to do the math real quick.
0.2325, is that what we're getting?
So 1.59 minus 2.055 divided by -2. 0.2325, is that what you said?
0.2325, yeah, that's what I had.
You got 2325.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I got 0.233. Is that right? With the rounding.
Yeah, 0.232. Did I do the algebra right, guys? I think.
The way I did it, I just did pluses and minuses. So definitely, let's go with Amy. Let's hook it into the bottom and see if one of the measurements below will work with that number. Because
All right.
with my number, the 0.233, it works. It should be 1.823 and 2.288.
Okay.
Because we have to round it up, don't we? For this one, yeah, you have to
So
round it to 3 decimals to do.
So let me try
2.
2.055 minus 0.233. 1.822. Yep.
So
1.822.
It's the right one.
I mean, that was me rounding it because it was we had to round the number, the standard deviation. If we didn't round the standard deviation, then we'd get 1.823 and 2.288.
Okay.
So yeah. Did you guys get how we got the standard deviation then?
Yeah.
I didn't do it algebraically. I just did pluses and minuses. So however you guys want to do it, I just did the the mean 2.055 minus the 1.59, and then that equals 0.465, which we know is 2 standard deviations away from the mean. So I just cut that 0.465 in half
Okay.
and rounded it up.
And you got the right answer. It already told you for question 21, right?
Which is a 1.823?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I chose to do. Let's cross our fingers. We'll have to run it.
Okay.
But I think that's good.
I think that's right. So let's move on to question 22. Rebecca, do you want to read this question?
Okay. The admissions committees for most Masters of Business Administration programs require the graduate management certificate test as part of the application for new students. It has been shown that the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean of 542.3 and a standard deviation of 120.4. The minimum GMAT score required for admission to the MAC program in the School of Accountancy of BYU is 500. But it is rare for students with scores less than 600 to be admitted.
So we got to find the Z
Uh,
score. Or did you get this one already, Rebecca?
I haven't.
0.5.
So we know how to do this, right, guys? We find the Z
Yeah.
score and then we plug it into the applet.
Yeah.
What did you get, Laura?
0.5.
So
Yeah.
she got 0.5. Any questions on 22?
Nope.
Okay. Oh, and so then we do the same thing for question 23. What is the probability that a randomly selected student will score below 600 on the GMAT? And what did you get, Laura?
0.684.
0.684. That makes sense,
And I
guys?
got that right. And I apologize, ladies. I'm sorry. I only have a 30-minute left, so I'm going to have to leave in about 2 minutes. I'm sorry.
Okay, that's fine. Let's see if we can go fast because I know you had questions. Laura, if you want later today, I'll be more free. If you have questions, we can try to go over some of them.
You know, I only have one that I missed on this the last ones we're going over. So if you want me to, I can just read through my answers or
Okay,
whatever you want to do.
let's
I
do
don't, you know,
that,
I
and then
I
we'll
want
go
you guys
over
to
the
look
one
through
you had
them.
a question on. Sound good, guys?
Yep.
Okay, question 24.
Did you want me to just say the answers or?
Yeah, that's fine, and then we'll go over the ones we have questions on. How about that?
You know, whatever you guys want to do. I don't want to cue you into the answers. Why don't we just compare? Have you guys not done the test yet?
I haven't finished the last questions that we're doing right now, to be
Yeah.
honest, so I've
Yeah.
been sick.
Okay.
So.
Yeah, no problem. What I'll do is, you know, I'll just say what the answers I got, and like I said, 2 of them I got wrong, so I'll let you know which ones were wrong. Okay?
And then we'll go over those. And any other
Yeah.
questions
So
you guys have.
I'm gonna have to leave right now. So if you want to know my answers, I'll give them to you really quick. But I won't be able to go over that last one. And maybe I'll listen to the rest of your broadcast after I come back. I'll go on and find out what you did for the ones I got wrong.
Okay.
Okay. So on 23, you know, we already got that one, the 0.684. On 24, we look for probability again, and that I got 0.316. And then we do that 10th percentile on question number 25, where we put the 10th percentile in the applet and shade the lower portion. I got 388 on that one.
0.388.
Yeah, no points, just 388, and that was the right answer. That's the score that corresponds to the 10th percentile.
Right.
And then the score that responds to the 90th percentile is 697. And that one I worked hard on. Luckily I got that one right. This next one is the 25th percentile, and the score is 461. And then the other one is the 75th quartile, which is the 75th percentile, which is 624. This next one I got wrong. 29 I got wrong. so I won't tell you what I got there. 30 I got right. 30 was 31.123.
30 was
Got
31.23.
wrong.
That's confusing.
Can you repeat
Yes.
question 7? What did you say? The 25th percentile?
Oh, question 27. Okay. Question 27 is 461.
461.
Okay.
Question
Question 28 is 624.
All right, you got question 29 wrong. Question 30 was
Wrong. I got that right. That was the standard deviation of the distribution for sample mean. And I got 31.123.
And I'm assuming you got 31 wrong.
I got 31 wrong. So
All
I will
right.
let you guys,
We'll
I
go
gotta
over
run.
that.
But
All right. Thanks, Laura.
thanks for finishing up and
Take care.
I'll link to the video so I can watch it.
Will
Okay?
do. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye. All right, guys. So let's go and do the rest of this.
So 29.
Yeah. All right, so 29 asks us, consider a simple random sample of N15 students taking a GMAT. What is the mean of the distribution of sample mean score for all such samples? So don't we just find the z-score and plug it in? Oh, wait.
No, it's what is the mean? So the mean is the same.
Well,
Isn't
it's a small sample, though. Is this a normal?
But this is that thing that they've been doing for the last like 2 lessons where they say what is the mean, and the mean is the same. It's a standard deviation that changes.
Right. You're right. Mm-hmm.
So the mean is whatever the mean was up here somewhere.
The mean was
542.3.
542.3.
That would be my guess. Have you done this yet, Rebecca?
No.
Okay. How does that sound to you?
I think that's right.
I don't want to be off. Like I seriously have been crazy for the last 2 days, so I don't want to lead you astray if I'm completely wrong.
People, so I think that's right
Okay, that seems like that's what it's asking, but yeah.
because it's normally distributed too. So
Yeah.
all right, what is the probability that the sample mean GMAT score for an SRS of N15 students will be greater than 600? So you put in the answer you got for the, let's see, what is it?
So basically it's 600 minus the mean, right? 542.3 divided by the standard deviation, which is then divided by the square root of 15.
Yeah,
That's the formula? Okay.
to find a z-score. And then what did you get? And then you plug it into the, and you find area above the z-score.
I have to get a scientific calculator for this.
So you're going to do 600 minus 542.3. Let me also get my calculator. Divided by 120.54 divided by the square root of 15.
So the answer that I got is 1.85391, and that's far enough for a z-score, right? Because do they want the z-score or do they want the area? Or the other thing? What is this question? 31? Probability. So
Did you get point? For the z-score, 0.12359.
No,
Ah,
I got 1.85391.
did you do 600 minus 542.3
I did 600 minus 542.3,
divided by
but 57.7, and then divided by
120.54 divided by this.
square root of 15. I mean, I can do it over again. But
120, that's what I did wrong. I didn't do divided by again.
oh, okay.
15. Okay. 1.8539.
Yep, that's what I got. Okay,
Alright,
so then when we put it,
that's-
excuse me, when we put it into the applet, we've got. What do we do from here? What do we want?
So then you put it into the z-score, the applet, and then you shade the area to the above the z-score, just the area above.
Okay,
And I got 0.319.
that's what I got. So does it want? That's 4 decimals. It wants 3 decimals, so 0.32. Yeah.
Sorry.
Bless you.
Yes.
Yeah.
A 0.032.
0.03. Yeah.
See how we do.
Okay.
0.032. Yeah.
Yay!
Oh, you did good. I had a question before you went in, just really quick.
Yeah, what's up?
Up top.
Okay.
I'm just looking for where it is. Question
Rebecca?
6.
Any questions for you while Amy's looking?
Nah, I was just wondering, okay, with the exams.
Say that
I don't
again.
know how. Yeah, the exams.
Okay, so question 8 is where I'm at using the software. Calculate the mean. So just so that I have a reference for you, because I'm going to go through and do that so that I can practice using the software because I'm horrible at that software. So what was the answer that you got that was correct so I can make sure I aim towards that?
4.771.
4.771.
And what I did was like what we did on lesson 2, where you just highlight, or you don't even need to highlight it. You just do the average equals, and you do.
Okay. Now you did that. You're saying, did you do that on SPSS or did you do it on Excel?
I'm doing SPSS. Like, I had to go to the other desktop at BYUI and then get into Excel, but in order to do the histogram, you have to get it into SPSS and do all that stuff.
That's what I thought. Okay. Because the histogram in Excel does not work. So in order to do that, I have to go through that. Okay, well then I'll just do that.
And then you can find how to
Okay.
do.
Huh?
You can find how to do that in lesson 3.
Lesson 3. Okay. I will go look that up, but you've got to run, right?
Yeah. Run
Okay.
to bed. I'm just kidding. I wish. Any questions, guys?
Not for me. I'm good to go. I just gotta play with that stupid software.
Just one clarification. With the question 2, did we select just the second option or 3 of them?
Question 2.
Yeah.
That was the
Yeah.
brand of toothpaste.
So it's asking what's categorical. Basically, if it has a number, then it's numerical.
Yeah.
But that's an easy way to follow it. If there's a number,
So like age or number of animals.
Yeah, any type of thing that has
So
to do
the
with
answer is the second option.
Huh?
So we had the answer to the second option right.
Yeah, so the answer is going to be the second box only, and it's
A
a
randomly
randomly
selected
selected
brand.
brand
Okay.
of toothpaste. Mhm.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, guys. If there's no further questions, thanks so much. And feel free to email each other because we have the test this week if you have any other questions so we can help each other out.
Okay. Good luck, everyone.
Good luck.
You'll do great.
See you guys, I guess Thursday.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.
Feel
Bye.
better, Miriam.
Thank you. You too.
Thanks.